And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest from the HG line of Gundam, but this time from HG Afterwar or HGAW, coming from the Gundam X series. We have the latest and completing the trio of the main Gundams. We have Gundam Leopard. Yes, so they first introduced Gundam X, X Divider, Double X, and then Gundam Airmaster, and now completing the trio of the what we call is the season one or probably the base one. We have the Gundam Leopard, and yes, as you can see in the box art, there it is, Gundam Leopard, and off to the side, I think it's Gundam Airmaster, and off to the other side is yes, is where they usually launch off or the base of operations. And looking up to the side, we have here front and back Gundam Leopard, the gimmicks that you can do with him, of course, the articulation and other stuff. And off to the side, here it is some information about the Gundam Leopard or Gundam X, and yes, Gundam Leopard itself. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, you can see one bag with multicolored screw and all green, and of course a tiny sticker sheet. Another bag here with white and light gray, and another bag here for all gray and of course green. And yes, here it is, the instruction manual, which is the same as how instruction manuals were before with the HGUC and HGAW, the short guide. So yeah, here it is, in the Leopard, and some stuff in it. Okay, so let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Alright, so first off is we have the A screw here, which is a multicolored screw. We have some blacks, reds, yellow, and color, two colors, yellow. We have a B1, which is the letter J. Still with the letter J, we have the B2 here. And then coming up with the greens, we have C1. And of course, we have the C2 continuing for the greens. And lastly, we have the B, which is all white. And of course, we can't forget it with very small sticker sheet. Yes. So, yep, it has been years before anything from the HGAW line has came up of. Like I said, I do remember we had a Gundam X, X Divider, Double X, and then Gundam Airmaster. And lastly, to complete the trio of the main cast too, we have the Gundam Leopard here. And yes, of course, the method supposed to is what's inside the box of the HGAW one of the 144 GT-9600 Gundam Leopard. Yes, and as you can see, this is more like the, in relative, same as the heavy arms for, Gundam Wing. But taking a look at the blaster or the cannon on his backpack, which I think is inspired to create the blast in the first time. But this is the lab. And this is the source. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, sharing, commenting, and until next time. See you and